Welcome back to Iconxusa.com and our fourth video. A question that we get asked is how to make the icon fit tighter. The easiest way to do that is simply to make the hole a little bit smaller. The hole saw and its teeth have a little bit of set to them. Half of the teeth point outward and half of the teeth point inward. So if we want to make the hole just a little bit smaller, all we have to do is to use a belt sander or a grinder and take a little bit off of the set of the teeth that are pointed outwards. Let me demonstrate. As you can see, we've just barely removed a little bit of material from the outside edge of the teeth. Now, go drill a few holes, install some icons. If it's tight enough, you're good to go. You can always remove a little bit more if you need to. Thank you.